Today, I'm undergoing PRK surgery with Dr. Arturo Chayet to correct the 20/60 vision in my right eye.
The process starts with betadine cleaning to ensure everything is sterile. Then, I'm guided into the operating room where Dr. Chayet, who has been perfecting these techniques since 1987, begins the procedure. First, a dilute alcohol solution is applied to my eye to loosen the epithelial layer. This top layer of my cornea is gently removed, allowing the laser to access the corneal stroma. Dr. Chayet uses advanced laser technology to reshape my cornea, improving how light rays focus on my retina. Dr. Chayet, with over 40,000 surgeries to his name, is incredibly precise. His innovations in the field, like IntraLASIK and Bitoric LASIK, have made significant improvements in vision correction. The excimer laser works efficiently to correct my vision, aiming to give me clearer sight and better quality of life. With over 34 years of experience, Dr. Chayet's work today reflects his dedication to improving the quality of life for his patients, helping them achieve clearer vision and greater independence. The value of PRK and LASIK at CODET is immense. These procedures, refined by Dr. Chayet's expertise, offer reliable solutions for a range of vision problems. PRK, known for its effectiveness in patients with thin corneas, and LASIK, celebrated for its quick recovery time, both utilize advanced laser technology to reshape the cornea and improve vision. Patients from all over the world come to CODET Vision Institute for the exceptional care and cutting-edge treatments provided by Dr. Chayet and his team. Their commitment to patient outcomes and use of sophisticated diagnostic equipment ensure that each patient receives personalized and optimal treatment.